Hello friends, artist resin here. Welcome back to my channel. So the Diwali season has gone and Christmas is approaching this month. So I have ordered one beautiful handmade mold from floralpores.com. Look at the beauty. These are Christmas tree hangings. Look at the details. It's too beautiful. So I have mixed my resin in advance, and I have kept my colors ready. So I'll be pouring white plus this is cedar color. These two in the middle and a combination of this dark silver or gray, what these sparkles, glitters, oops. And these are holographic stones. So I'll be adding both the things, one at the side, the other on the second side. Okay? So half it will go half will be stones and half will be glitters. Now I can explain you well actually. Okay, let's start in fast forward. Let's start with the pouring parts. My colors are, this is stone mixture, this is glitter mixture, and these colors. So everything is ready. I'll record the pouring process in fast forward. And I might need this dropper at some places, so I've kept it aside. Okay, let's start. Let's add satin ribbons and some jump rings, as I'm going to add these like this. Okay, this should be visible. Oh god, finally it was moving like that. No problem. I want to add it here. I'll figure out a way for this also. And these will be plain. These like this. Same as this. Okay, now time for fast forward.